Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change location and country on eBay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your location and country on eBay, you'll need to update your eBay registration information. For this, you need to open a web browser and log in into your eBay account, or you can simply open your app itself. So now once you have done this, you need to navigate to My eBay, which is on the top right hand side of the corner, or that can also be located on the left hand side. So once you're here, you can find the options called addresses. Once you have found the option called addresses, you can simply tap on edit option. After tapping on edit option in the registration, you can simply now change the location and your country on the eBay and simply hit the save option. After this, follow the prompts to update your country and address and submit the changes. You will be able to change location and country on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.